So dear students, class 7 students, that last class we had taken that about the degrees. This means the positive, the comparative and superlative. But how to use them? We shall do that the exercises and you can understand it very well. That this is fill in the blanks with the suitable infinitives. No. Upon your that book at page 22 and the first exercise of this page, G. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison. C is filling yes than yesterday. So we have to use that the degree here. This good. Good. So it is that the positive degree, then comes good, better, and then the superlative is best. So here we have to use it. Good, better, best. And well. In place of good, he is a good student. This means he is a good student. When good is used, when we use good before the noun, student, this is a noun. So here, good student, he is a good player, or he is a good boy, she is a good girl, or this is a good place. Good is used that with many adjectives. This is a good house, this is a good room, that is a good hotel, that is a good shop. All things are available there. And you can buy the things at cheap rate. Reasonable rate, this means. So we can say that is a good shop or that is a good restaurant, that you can eat there at cheap rate and all facilities are there. That cleanliness, your chairs, tables, all the spoons, glasses, plates, all things are neat and clean. That is called the good. But when it is used as adjective, yes, it is used before the nouns. But if we want to express this sentence using adverb, that how is he? How is she? About her condition we want to know. ऐसा कैसा होगा? She is well. This is adverb. So, if we want to use the comparative form of the positive degree or positive word good, then we have to use better. So here she is feeling better than yesterday. Here you have to use better. Iron is the dash of all metals. Dash of means it is the superlative degree. You have to use the superlative form of the word useful. So You can't make it use fuller. That is wrong. That will be incorrect. So you have to use here iron is the most useful metal. Because everywhere your vehicles, your trucks, buses, trains, aeroplanes, everywhere we see the that use of iron. Jessica is the desk girl in the school. Old, older, oldest. Jessica is the oldest girl in the school. बड़ी चलो इसका उम्र ज्यादा हो गई. Gold is dust and silver. Gold is then है. Then means it is comparing with other thing. One, two things are compared. At that time, then is used. And the sentences where there is no comparison. This is means it is that best of all. It is the most that thing, most that useful thing or measurable thing. At that time, we use the superlative degree, and after that we use of. We don't use comparative degree in those sentences. He is the best boy. Like this. The 22nd June is the hottest day of the month. ऐसा सभी वाक्यों को ऐसा माना जाता है. Paris is the best city I have ever visited. Paris is the most beautiful city, most beautiful country, most beautiful city, most beautiful your girl, most beautiful voice, most beautiful food, most beautiful flower. सब बनता है. तो Paris is the most beautiful city I have ever visited. The United States is the best country in the world. The United States is the richest country in the world. My neighbor is a dash man. My neighbor is a wealthy man. This picnic spot is less than the one we went on last Sunday. प्लीजांट दिया है तो इसको तो प्लीजांटियन नहीं होता है. More pleasant. This picnic spot is more pleasant than the one we went on last Sunday. Correct the degrees of adjectives. Look at your exercise H. Peter is handsome than Jack. Peter is, this sentence is based on comparison. So Peter and Jack are two students or two boys. But who is handsome? So Peter is handsome and Jack is handsome. Both are handsome. But Peter is more handsome than Jack. More handsome. Cities are more noisy than towns. Cities are noisier than towns. A rainy day is better than a windy day. Better को क्या होता है? Better को ये क्या होता है? Worse, worst होता है. Bad, worse, worst. तो worse होता है comparative में, इसीलिए इसको करना पड़ेगा तुमको. A rainy day is worse than a windy day. English is more easy than German. German was language, Germany language, and English is one language. So which is the easy language? Which is the easiest language? Which people can learn easily. So English is easier than German. Roses are the most beautiful than daisies. roses are the more beautiful because the roses are being compared with the daisy. These are flowers. There are so many kinds of flowers all over the world. So roses are more beautiful than daisies. Be careful on a crowded road. Be more careful. Careful or nahi. Be more careful on a crowded road. Not careful. Then comes a motorcycle is more fast than a scooter. A motorcycle is faster than a scooter. Because the small vehicles have their limited meters. And scooters means they have small wheels, that body is small, and it has that less capacity than the motorcycles. So the motorcycle is faster than a scooter. It can run faster. So then comes your adjective phrases. That Tom Sawyer wanted a life full of adventure. Tom Sawyer wanted an adventurous life. This old dress is of no use. This old dress is useless. Of no use, useless. Of use, useful. So, this statue is made of silver. This statue is silvery. Those are children. Those are children. Those children are affectionate. This is a business of great profit. This is a profitable business. ऐसा होता है. Mr. Raymond is a man of honor. Mr. Raymond is a honorable man. I met a lady from England. I met an English lady. Then comes the weather on high mountains. It always like winter. The weather on high mountains is always wintry, very cold. Her face is like that of an angel. She has an angelic face. She has a fairy face. Angelic face. Her face is like that of an angel. Her face is angelic. She has a angelic. She has an angelic face. She has a fairy face, like this. So your adjective lesson is over. Then we shall learn about the determiners. They are also adjectives. So when you will read, you can understand. So determiners we shall start. Next lesson we shall talk about determiners. How they are used. The determiners are the words they are also used before the nouns. But that they describe about the numbers. Countable numbers, uncountable numbers, like this. We shall discuss that in that class. Thank you, my dear students. That read it over and over again and again, till you learn it properly. Thank you.